Unit 5 first chapter is numerical solution of algebraic equation. Then find out the equation. Okay. Using a Newton-Raphson method. X square minus 4x minus 6 is equal to 0. Is equal to 0 near to 5. Near to 5. Then carry out three iterations only. Carry out three iterations only. Then first upon consider f of x is equal to x square minus 4x minus 6. Then f of xn is equal to xn square minus 4xn minus 6. It is the first equation. Then f of 5 here मतलब near to 5, so first find out f of 5. So 5 square minus 4 into 5 minus 6, which is equal to 5 square is 25 minus 4 into 5 is 20 minus 6, and 25 minus 26 is minus 1 is less than 0. So take initial root x0 is equal to 5. Then इथे त्यांनी initial root दिला x0 is equal to 5. Then by Newton-Raphson method, approximate value x is given by xn plus 1, which is equal to xn minus f of xn divided by f dash of xn. So here xn plus 1, which is equal to xn minus f of xn. Here f of xn is x square xn square minus 4xn minus 6 divided by f dash of, here f dash of x is equal to x square is 2x, derivative of x is 1, derivative of x square is 2x, derivative of x is 1, so 4 into 1 4, and derivative of 6 is 0. So f dash of xn, which is equal to 2xn minus 4. So f dash of xn is 2xn minus 4. सो इथे क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन करायचं आहे. सो एक्स एन प्लस 1 विच इज इक्वल टू, याला मल्टिप्लाइड करा, 2 इंटू एक्स एन स्क्वेअर मायनस 4xn मायनस एक्स एन स्क्वेअर and minus minus plus 4xn minus minus plus 6 divided by 2xn minus 4. So here 4xn and plus 4xn cancel, and 2 minus 1 is xn square plus 6 divided by 2xn minus 4. It is second equation. Then by putting n is equal to 0, 1, 2 up to so on, we get approximate root. X root of equation f of x is equal to 0. Then find out first iteration. So first iteration, put n is equal to 0 in equation second. Equation second मध्ये n is equal to 0 put करा. So equation second becomes 0 plus 1 is 1. So x 0 square plus 6 divided by 2x0 minus 4. But we take initial value x0 is equal to 5. So x1 is equal to 5 square plus 6 divided by 2 into 5 minus 4. So 5 square is 25 plus 6 divided by 2 into 5, 10 minus 4. So 25 plus 6 is the 31 divided by 10 minus 4 is 6. So 31 divided by 31 divided by 6. 31 divided by 6, which is equal to 5.1666. and which is equal to x1 is equal to 5.1666. Then it is first iteration. Then find out second iteration. Find out second iteration. Put n is equal to put n is equal to 1 in formula, in second formula. Second formula xn plus 1, which is equal to xn square plus 6 divided by 2xn minus 4. So here x1 is equal to 5.1666. So इथे n is equal to 1 put केल्यावर 1 plus 1 is 2. So x1 square plus 6 divided by 2x1, n is equal to 1 minus 4. So x1 square means 5.1666 square plus 6 divided by 2x1, 2 into x1 5.1666 minus 4. So value find out करा. 5.166 square so here 5.166 square is 5.166, then bracket complete, then square इथे square आहे, so square plus 6 and which is equal to 32.687. 32.687 divided by 2 into 5.166 bracket 2 into 5.1666 minus 4. Directly करू minus 4 which is equal to 6.3332. 6.3332. So dividation करा. 32.687 687 divided by 6.3332 6.3332 and which is equal to 5.1622 5.1622 5.1622. It is second iteration, but here carry out 3 iterations, so we need to find out third iteration. So find out third iteration. So in third iteration, put n is equal to 2 in equation second. So xn equation second xn plus 1 is equal to xn square plus 6 divided by 2xn minus 4. So here 2 plus 1, n is equal to 2 plus 1 is 3, and here n is 2, so x2 square plus 6 divided by 2x2 minus 4, and which is equal to x2 square. So here x2 is equal to 5.1622 square plus 6 divided by 2 into x2 means 5.1622 minus 4. So value find out करा. x3 is equal to 5.162 square means in bracket 5.1622 and here square है, so square plus 6 which is equal to 32.648 divided by 2 into 5.1622 in bracket 2 into 5.1622 minus 4 and which is equal to 6.3244 which is equal to 32.648 divided by 6.3244 and which is equal to 5.1622 5.1622 it is also same. So these are the third iteration 5.1622. Then last of all write down after third iteration approximate root of the equation f of x is equal to x square minus 4x minus 6 is x is equal to 5.1622 and these are the approximate root. Then Then we give the next example. Example fourth. Find the positive root of x cube plus x minus 1, which is equal to 0, by Newton Raphson method. Up to 3 iterations only. Then consider f of x is equal to x cube minus x minus 1. Then f, f of xn is equal to xn cube minus xn minus 1. It is the first equation. Then first find out f dash of x is equal to derivative of x cube is 3x square, derivative of x is 1 and derivative of 1 is 0. Hence f dash of xn, which is equal to 3xn square minus 1. Then by Newton Raphson method, Newton Raphson method, approximate value x is xn plus 1, which is equal to xn minus f of xn divided by f dash of xn. So here f of xn is xn cube minus xn minus 1 divided by f dash of xn is 3xn square minus 1. Then next step is xn plus 1, which is equal to 3xn square into xn is 3xn cube minus xn into 1 is minus xn cube minus plus xn and minus plus 1 divided by 3xn square minus 1. 3xn square minus 1. So here plus xn and minus xn are cancelled and 3 minus 1 is 2xn cube plus 1 divided by 3xn square minus 1. These are xn plus 1. These are equation second. Then putting n is equal to 0, 1, 2 up to so on, we get approximate value x. So find out first iteration find out first iteration so in first iteration put n is equal to 0 in equation second. So 0 plus 1 is 1, so x1 is equal to 2x0 cube plus 1 divided by 3x0 square minus 1. Then here take initial root ही value घेताना initial root x0 is equal to 1. Take initial root x0 is equal to 1. So hence x1 is equal to 2 into 1 cube minus 1 divided by 3 into 1 square minus 1, which is equal to 2 into 1 cube is 1 minus 1 divided by 3 into 1 square is 1 minus 1. So 2 into 1 2 minus 1 is 1 divided by 3 into 3 minus 1 is 2. So and 1 by 2 is 0.5. These are the first iteration. Then find out second iteration. Then find out second iteration. So put n is equal to 1 in equation second. So write down value xn plus 1 is equal to 2xn square plus 1 divided by 3xn square minus 1. So put n is equal to 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2 and 2 x1 square plus 1 divided by 3x1 square minus 1. Put n is equal to 1 and x1 is 0.5. x1 is equal to 0.5. So 2 into 0.5 square plus 1 divided by 3 into 0.5 square minus 1. So scientific calculator यूज करा. So 2 into 0.5 is square which is equal to plus 2 plus 1. So plus 1 which is equal to 1.5. 1.5 divided by 3 into 0.5 square. 3 into 0.5 square which is equal to 0.75 minus 1 which is equal to minus 0.25 minus 0.25 and which is equal to here x1 is 1.5 because 3 divided by 2, then 2 into 1.5 square. So 2 into 1.5 square plus 1 which is equal to 5.5 divided by 3 into 1.5 square. 3 into 1.5 square minus 1 which is 5.75 and which is equal to 5.5 divided by 5.75 which is equal to 0.9585 0.9585. Then third iteration, then find out third iteration. So put n is equal to 2 in equation second. So equation second is xn plus 1, which is equal to 2xn cube plus 1 divided by 3xn square minus 1. So here 2 plus 1 is 3 and 2 into xn cube x2 is equal to x2 is equal to 1.3478. So इथे काय होणार xn cube means 1.3478 cube plus 1 divided by 3 into 1.3478 square minus 1. याचा आन्सर येतं 3 into 0.9585 square is equal to minus 1, which is equal to 1.746. And then divide करा 2.7504 divided by 1.7461. So 1.5741 is equal to 1.5741. It is the answer. These are the third iteration. Hence, after third iteration, so after third iteration, the approximate root of the equation f of x is equal to x cube minus x minus 1 is equal to 0 is x is equal to 1.5741, and these are the approximate root. Then next example, by using Newton-Raphson method, find initial root of the equation x cube minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. So consider first f of x is equal to x cube minus x minus 1. Hence, f of xn is equal to xn cube minus xn minus 1 is our first equation. Then find out f dash of x is derivative of x cube is 3x square and derivative of x is 1 and derivative is 0. So hence f dash of xn which is equal to 3xn square minus 1. Then find out f of 0. 0 put करा 0 cube minus 0 minus 1. So it is equal to minus 1 less than 0. Then f of 0, then find out f of 1. So 1 cube minus 1 minus 1. So 1 minus 1 0 which is equal to minus 1 which is also less than 0. They find out f of 2. So 2 cube minus 2 minus 1. So 2 cube is 8 minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3 and 8 minus 3 is 5 and 5 is greater than 0. Since f of 1 and f of 2 have opposite sign, the root of equation the root of the equation f of x is equal to 0 lies between the interval 1 and 2. 1 and 2. So here initial root means initial value. So take initial value 1i. So initial root x0 is equal to 1. x0 is equal to 1 is the initial root by Newton-Raphson method.